Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ridwan from Global Genius, and I want to submit my Tailwindcss assignment. So, according to the assignment, it said build a professional responsive online learning platform website using Tailwind CSS version 4 plus, applying everything learned right through the courses so far. Require sessions, right? Responsive navigation bar, hero session with CTA, right? Features and benefits in course session, at least 6 courses, testimonial pricing, about contact, right? Footer, dark mode, right? Requirements, right? Your project must demonstrate this was and functionalities, right? The bonuses you should add what course search, filter, and frequently asked questions, right? Accordions, right? Login, register, right? Student dashboard, course enrollment, right? So this is the code for the assignment, right? So for the code, we was imported in CSS, images of the team, right? The keyframes, the scroll behavior, which is smooth, right? This is the HTML code, right? So before this code can function on our dashboard, we need to activate Tailwind CSS, right? Through command prompts or terminals. So let's go straight to command prompts and we'll say np, okay, say change direction, desktop slash Tailwind CSS assignments, right? So that the command prompt can locate the exact place the folder is. So you click on enter, right? Then you say npx at Tailwindcss slash CLI, right? I dot slash src slash input dot css, right? Then o dot slash src slash output dot css. While typing this in, someone needs to be very careful. Then watch. Alright, so let's check if we didn't make any mistakes so far. Okay, then you click on enter. You have to wait for this thing to come up, if not your code will not run. It's coming up. Fantastic. So now that the thing has come up, you come straight to your index.html, you right click and copy path, then you go straight to your browser. So for the assignment, this is the output for it. Then you paste. Voila. So this is the outcome of the code I wrote using the Tailwind CSS version 4. As you can see, the name I came up with is what EduFlow. You can see the courses section, the features, about, pricing, FAQ, contact. There was dark mode toggler, dashboard preview, sign in, right? You can see master skills that shape the future, access high impact videos, courses, real world project and expert mentorship, built for career switchers and lifelong learners. Explore courses. Explore courses, watch demo, designed for what real progress, everything you need to go from what absolute beginners to industry professionals, right? Self-paced modules, expert mentorship, and so on and so forth. You can see the feature courses section. The courses you can enroll for, you can see all development, you can see design businesses, loved by 50,000 plus students. You can see the reviews of what some of the clients of the website I designed. You can see the what pricing section. You can see then frequently asked question: how long do I have to access the courses? Can I get certificate after completion? Is there money back guarantee? Those are like what the frequently asked questions. Then the mission, education, and so forth. So to check how responsive the site is, you can just come like this. You can see that it is very responsive, right? So to sign in to check the student dashboard, you can come straight to this button, input your email address, password. Then you simply come to sign in. So this is the student dashboard. You can see enrolled course so far 32.5 hours spent. So hours completed, you can see 2 certificates earned. Then the average quiz, the average score for the person, the average percentage of the person score during quiz is 94%. You can see in progress, full stack was web development post camp. You can see edu flow platform and so on and so forth. So this is the student dashboard. You can see. So we'll go back home. So this is for the courses section. This particular place can take you straight there. You can see full stack, UI UX, advanced Tailwind version of architecture, um, digital project products strategy and management, TypeScript for what enterprise application, brand identity and graphic system, and so on and so forth. For the features, so I'll take you to the features. You can see designed for what real progress, everything you need to go from what absolute beginner to industry professional, self-paced modules, expert mentorship, verified credentials. You can see about. So this one can take you straight to the what about of what website we design. The pricing section, this one will take you to the pricing section. You can see frequently asked question, it take you straight there without any mistake whatsoever. Contact us, take you straight to the word form to fill in the credentials and submit the message. So let's say one of fill in credentials, you can just say read one, email address, message, you can just say God bless Global Genius. Just for example, I simply come to what send message. You can see, thank you what your message has been sent. So another one that is in the course is that if you want to enroll for this particular course, though this is front end, you haven't done anything about the back end, you know we've not gotten there, right? So to enroll course, you can just come to, if you click on this enroll, something will pop up, successfully enrolled in digital project strategy and management. View your progress in the what student dashboard. So that's how I built the what website, right? So let me walk you through on how the coding works, the coding aspects. So for the coding, we came here to what detect the words Tailwind CSS here, even though the code will not work, to link the words input CSS with the index HTML because it's very, very important. So we also came here to what import the words Tailwind CSS here, right? We used our terminal to what bring out the output using the prompts npm, right, npx input output or css watch, right, to bring out the output, right, all those packaging. We also use the terminal to list them out, right? So for the output css, you can see the codes that are in there, which are our normal code that will be what generated after using our terminal to get them, right? So we made use of theme. For the input css, you see we brought our primary, right, keyframes float, right, you can see pause up to, you can see scroll behavior, outline, and so on and so forth. For the index html, we made use of the navigation bar, which is very, very important, the divs, the span. For the main container, you can see div landing view, you can see hero section, you can see we made use of a lot, features, benefits, you can see courses with search and filter, you can see, so they are all listed there for what explanation purpose. You can see for the pricing section, took my time to what bring out the section prices, class, ID, so that I can literally um link it when I want to link it with the link tag, the button as well. You can see the pro plan, the team plan, FAQ accordion, about section, contact form. You can see student dashboard. So also part of the assignment, you can see start grid, footer. Yeah. So for the footer, this was where we link the courses. This place, if you click on career, take you to career. So this is where we linked them. You can see link href courses, more courses. Take you, once you click on courses in the website, take you straight to the courses section, and so on and so forth. You can see the classes, the login, author, you can see. So we also made use of a little bit of JavaScript because we've done some JavaScript before coming to Tailwindcss. So I also brought back some JavaScript to make the work so smooth and professional. So you can see these are the JavaScript code that I wrote, right? So we made use of the words get elements by ID, query selector, add event listener, and so on and so forth. So thank you very much. This is my submission for the assignment.